The future always begins with a choice. Welcome to Providence University. Let's set out and explore together. At Providence, technology is integrated into curriculum design. Empowered by AI tools, we deepen our understanding of challenges and respond to the world, giving learning a clearer direction. The university encourages us to integrate knowledge across disciplines, making learning more coherent and insightful. Walking across campus, we can encounter diverse languages and cultures. Through exchange programs, dual degrees, and overseas study, we get to realize that the world is closer than we have imagined. What is the most beautiful scenery at Providence? It's the way people and this land resonate in the winds of Dadu Mountain. Learning, too, steps beyond the classroom into communities and among people discovering our connection to the world in real-life settings. Over time, we come to understand that sustainability is built through the accumulation of everyday choices. It takes time, and it takes all of us. Through ongoing project discussions and guidance, knowledge becomes our ability to understand and make judgments. The motto, "Virtue with Knowledge," embodies our educational spirit grounded in moral cultivation, building knowledge upon character, and guiding us to care, serve, and give back to society. At Providence, we learn to be in dialogue with ourselves. Spirit, through exploration, we see a truer self. Body, through steady practice, we build strength. Knowledge, accumulating across diverse learning spaces, and in the quiet of the library where thinking grows more focused. When inner life, body, and knowledge connect, we become better beings. At Providence, learning is clearly structured. Through academic learning and diverse activities, the four-year journey becomes purposeful and transformative. Starting from the critical first year at Providence, the university accompanies us in exploring our career directions. Participatory learning extends coursework into industry-academia collaborations and internships, opening up a future full of infinite possibilities. Providence University, empowering a better you. Providence University.